Okay. There you go. It's our Knip Mode over here. See if we can get you to focus in. Awesome. Right, pull up a chair. Okay, so this is the December 2019 issue, number 12. Sorry for the shaky camera. Pink and black. Okay, we're screaming party. So I literally have no idea what's in this one. Oh, okay, hello. That's quite nice. It's got a shoulder zipper element. Yeah, you'd have to do a bit of work to make sure that that was comfortable. Fussy. So, ooh. I can't tell. Are these dots? I can't tell if these are dots or that's a stylistic drawing. But it's made in Ponte Roma. So that's, you know, that's a nice, decent style. Okay, and then we've got, oh, wow. It's like a paper bag neck thingy. That's well funny. Oh, it's a belt, so you can tie it around your neck and then you can tie it around your waist. And there we are. Okay. Nice take on a simplistic pattern. This is like a trapeze dress. Loving the pinks though. Absolutely loving the pinks. Ooh. Interesting use of trims. I cannot say, to be perfectly honest with you, that this jumps up at me like I want to do that. And sheer fabric. Okay, another trapeze dress. Ooh, Knip little black dress special. Probably missed out on that. Okay, and this is a funky 70s style, voluminous top. There's a bit of color bleed through there. Oh my days, these look like the trainers that I have, the trainers that I was wearing for Folktales. Pretty awesome. You got some more detail here of these high-waisted trousers. The high-waisted wide-leg trousers look quite interesting, I gotta say. And there's that dress again, but this time it's just been made into a top. This is, I think this is called a dinner jacket collar or something, or it might be, I don't know. Oh, these are really cute, quirky details. So they've used poppers, black poppers on there, so that looks pretty cool. I really like the styling with those funky trainers because I'm a big fan of comfortable and funky trainers. And here we've got the detail. Oh, this is adorable how they've made this into a bow. This is definitely a jacket you would make if you got to go out a lot. Yeah, and then they've turned it over with satin. That's a nice detail, is that? Nice. Okay, well, what is in the envelope? Okay, an ad thingy. I'll open that later. Trench coat showing you how to sew it, and then this is an interesting dress that has got like a funky flange. I would call this a flange. Working with satin, a very brave choice. Not sure I'm a big fan of those tucks at the bottom. These reduce your stride length. Personally, unless you're somebody who takes teeny tiny little steps when you're walking. But yeah, okay. And we have a lesson here on how to deal with your seams. Yeah, looks like it. And these are all of the line drawings at a glance. Gotta say, the print quality in this issue isn't all that great. It's a bit blurry. So you've got your, so for those of you that don't know, Knip Mode is available in the full size range from a Euro 34 to a Euro 56, which is one fantastic distinguishing feature of this actual magazine. So, but this is the main problem that I have with it, personally speaking. All of the patterns, the lines are either black or red, and I find it so hard. Everything blends together. And on some of the pattern sheets, very rarely, they will also have green, but for the most part, it's just red and black, which, yeah, it's hard for me personally. It's one of the reasons why I struggle to keep up with any of my sewing plans for Knip Mode, and I truly dread having to trace from the black and red lines. But okay, and I thought that this was like a really cute top. the details are lost in the print, although it is a fabulous, fabulous print. It does work quite well. It's a Victorian style blouse and it's got shirring on the sleeves. I'd be down for trying shirring on the sleeves. That gives me the flexibility to roll up my sleeves quite easily. Oh, I love these trousers. Oh my gosh, these are so funky. And I love how they've used an older woman to wear them and how they just look absolutely cool. I would definitely make these. Absolutely make these with the exposed zippers and everything. And she is rocking it. She's rocking it. I want to be like that when I'm older. Yeah, like those. Definitely putting those on there to make. Okay, and then we've got Making with Giannis, and he's got this diva look. This is I like this sort of style, the one that goes empire waist, and then you've got those dots there. And because it's a V-neck line and they've included a center front seam, it makes it a lot easier to sew up this V-neck line. Because when you don't have a center front seam there, you have to be very accurate in your sewing to make sure that it doesn't do any gaping. And it's got a slit. I mean, for this length of dress, I'd be wanting that slit to be even higher up because you got to do a proper Angelina Jolie with your leg. That's nice. And this, I can see this being easily adaptable as a day dress as well, just by slashing the length there. I am piqued by that. Oh, I'm totally making this. How adorable are these? Oh, I love these. And they've got that all-in-one sleeve as well, and you can play around with the colors. And they've used mustard. I love mustard. Absolutely love mustard. And I like how they've used the lace trim as well. Oh, wow. Knip Mode, I'm loving this. I gotta say, loving this. And this will be so adorable for my girls. But yeah, quite like that. And then we also have some workout wear, which I gotta say is a very strange time to place workout wear in the December issue, because I don't think a lot of people are necessarily thinking about workout, because December is very much all about feasting and just having a lovely, wonderful time with the family. But yeah, you've got some nice looking leggings here and a top. Personally, I wouldn't make any workout wear for myself because I have found that it is so hard to find the really great quality fabric that survives the stretching, the workout that you do, and the washing. And I just got to a point where I was just like, you know what? I'm just better off buying it secondhand. So I tend to buy it off of eBay or something like that. And when you get the good quality stuff, it does last for years. But yeah, I would probably make these for yoga in cotton jersey, because yoga you can kind of get away without using the proper technical fabrics. But for anything else that's more heavy orientated workout, I do find that I've always ended up having to buy ready to wear. But these are cute. This could easily be transformed into a dress because those princess line sleeves, and just sort of like flare it out. Nice jumper, nice big pockets where you can put your phone when you're out and about walking. My only beefs is the sleeves. I would love those sleeves to be longer. This is a good principle. Definitely some good solid designs. Yes, stylish jacket for when you're out and about running. And I really like this, that it's got the elasticated cuffs so that the cold doesn't sneak up your arms. Guys, I'm always thinking about things like that because I get cold so easily. So this is one of the things that I really like about the coat that I currently wear. It has got the thick woolen sleeve, right? And then it's got like a ribbing cuffing underneath there so that there is no drafts that can sneak up. So pretty awesome. Okay, simple jumper. I don't like the short-sleeved sweater look, I gotta say, but that's just my own personal opinion. And then shorts and a sports bra. Definitely would try and make a sports bra. That's my alarm. Just gonna dismiss that. And I'll dismiss the other alarm as well. Okay, so what we have here, oh, fantastic use of striped fabric. Love the striped fabric. And we've got a V-neck over there. I think I've seen fabric like this last year somewhere when I was shopping somewhere. And you've got the same in a different color. I wonder if they're intentionally meant to be oversized like that. Ah, this is good. You know, and if you have any leftover foil from Christmas, instead of throwing it out, why not just make a coat you know, aluminium foil coat and a rose foil coat. Yeah, what is it with foil? So Burda in the upcoming January issue, they have a jumpsuit that is made out of similar fabric to this. It's like a foil jumpsuit. And personally, yeah, I don't think that this works, but that's just a personal opinion for me. It might work for other people, but you know, to each their own. But style lines on that coat, fantastic, absolutely awesome. I wouldn't be making it in something like this though. I would love to make this in like a drill. Yeah, like a drill, because this is a decent style for a parka, I think. This is a short sleeve sweater again. And then we also have a nice bomber style jacket, and they've used furs to trim it. Oh man, you know, at the beginning I said I have to reconsider my knip mode. Yeah, this actually has me thinking that perhaps not, because this is some fantastic styles. Seriously, I mean, I really love what they've done with that particular one. You've got your giant houndstooth, and it's got this high neck, so that keeps you nice and warm and toasty. And those pockets, you got somewhere for your hands to hang out. And best of all, it's got raglan sleeves. Oh, come on, Knip Mode, you're making life hard for all my days. And then you can just lengthen it. I love it. Okay, this long-term sewing goal. Long-term sewing goal. And look how the neckline, you've got the, you know, for this warm high neck, you've got a fluffy, fleecy fabric. That would just be like having one of my fleecy blankets around. But yeah, what a great showing, Knip Mode. What a fantastic showing. Oh, what can I say? Despite the issues that I've been having with Knip Mode, they have me seriously rethinking ditching the subscription, because I was thinking about that before I had actually seen this. But I'm very, very impressed. Easily 4 or 5 patterns in there that I would make. Oh, this is hard. You guys decide for me. Should I keep the Knip Mode subscription or should I not keep it? Let me know your thoughts down below. I'm always curious to hear what you guys think. Is there anything in there that you particularly liked? Anything in there that you think didn't work, or something that I have missed that might work really well for me? Let me know in the comments box below. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, you found it useful or entertaining, please do give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe. I put out new sewing related videos every single week. Until I see you next time, happy sewing. Bye.